Jen here, and I have a fun activity that you can do to help yourself prepare for Thanksgiving. So I don't know about you, but there's a lot of hustle and bustle at my house during Thanksgiving with all of the prep going on in the kitchen for a big dinner, and maybe stuff on the TV. Maybe I've got, friends and family over, not sure. So I want to do something that's going to help calm me down, to help refocus my thoughts and energy, and to maybe, just relax a little. So I am going to make myself a calm down bottle. Now, you can put anything you want in your calm down bottle, but you want to think about things that will gently sink in the water and not necessarily thunk to the bottom. So you're not going to really want to put things like rocks in your calm down bottle, but you're going to want to put things that float. So I have some little bits of confetti. I have some sequins that I'm going to put in. So I'll put those sequins in. I'll put the confetti in. I'll put some confetti. I also have some glitter that I like to use. I have some gold glitter. And the sequins I put in were some leaves, and then the confetti are leaves also. I'm going to put some gold glitter in. Let's put a couple extra sprinkles in. And then I have a cool secret, I've got some red glitter too. This is a little bit more fine glitter. So we'll mix my glitters in there. Oh yeah, that's looking good. And maybe you want to mix it, stir it around with a little stir. I've got a really tall jar. So now my jar is made of glass. So I'm going to have to be very gentle when I'm playing with my calm down bottle. I'm definitely not going to want to toss this thing around. But you might use something made of plastic. You might use something tall and skinny. Something that's taller and more narrow is better. I didn't happen to have any water bottles laying around my house right now, so I went with this guy. But if you have water bottles, that's always a good option. And my secret weapon is some liquid glue. Now I have some cool red glue that has some glitter in it. So I'm gonna put that in my calm down bottle also. Ew, that's sort of weird. Oh, it's a little bit sticky. Let's see. Ew, that was a big glob. I don't know if I want that. Oh, there. That's good stuff. I think it's just going to come out a little bit globby, and we're going to need to mix it around. This glue is a little bit dry, I think. Ugh. So if you like sticky things, then you might enjoy playing with this. So then the next thing you need for your calm down jar. So you're going to need a jar. You're going to need some things to put in your jar. Then you're going to need some water. And the glue is what helps slow the things down. So, I'll use a napkin and wipe my fingers off. And then you're going to want to stir it around. Now you might also want to add some food dye to your calm down bottle. It might take a little while for mine. You can also, instead of using glue, you can use the clear glue. You can use glycerin, something that's sort of going to thicken your liquid in here up, so that when it does, when you do play with it, it kind of like thickens the water and slows it down, so that when you're watching all the things fall, they fall slowly. Now I'm going to add a little bit of yellow food dye. Yeah. That looks pretty cool. Now, anytime that you're using any of these materials, you want to make sure that you get permission for it first. So you want to make sure that you've gotten the okay from somebody at your house to use the glitter, and that maybe they help you. And if you get a chance, you can pick out some sequins at the art store if you'd like. And then you're gonna just mix this concoction up. And you can put, like I said, you can put all sorts of other things in here too. Anything that floats gently. If you want to put maybe some beads in here, or buttons that are sort of holiday themed buttons, you totally can. I kind of just enjoy watching it swirl around a little. And that glitter falls so calm and relaxing. Maybe you look at it a little bit and you're like, you know, I think I would like to add a little bit more. Put this on my napkin. I think I want to add some more confetti or more glitter. Get the okay from somebody at home. And maybe you can add some more in. I'm going to add just a few more confettis. I think that's good. Now you want to make sure you get a jar that has a lid and that the lid seals really well. You want to screw it on very tight because you don't want this to leak out. And then you're going to swirl it around and watch everything fall. It's really peaceful to watch. Now, if your water level is kind of low like mine is, you can add some more water. If it's not flowing slowly enough for you, you can add some more glue or glycerin. And after, after a week or two, maybe a little bit longer, if it starts getting a little bit cloudy, you can dump it out, add some new things to it, find some new things to add to it, or maybe make one for different holidays. So maybe you want to make one for Thanksgiving, and then you want to make one for Christmas or winter time. So the best part about this is that it's calm, it's relaxing, it doesn't make a whole lot of noise, it shouldn't at least, and it's not hard to put together. You can do it with things that you find around your house. So the other benefit of using a calm down bottle is it's relaxing. It calms you down, right? And so when there's so much going on, all the hectic craziness of the holidays, it's kind of nice to have something to focus on that's relaxing, that's soothing, that you made, that makes the day special for you. So I encourage you to check out different calm down bottles that you can make and design, and go ahead and create your own.